Welcome back, YouTube fam. How's everyone doing? Today we're talking about hair health. Let's face it, losing your hair can be a startling and overwhelming experience. Just the thought of one day losing your hair is also unsettling. While there are many factors that influence the health and growth of your hair, such as age, genetics, and stress levels, one of the most important factors is your diet. The vitamins and minerals you get from your food play a vital role in the growth cycle of hair. Lacking certain nutrients in your diet can contribute to hair loss, including deficiencies in iron, vitamin B12, biotin, and zinc. By eating foods that are rich in these essential vitamins and minerals, you can support the growth and health of your hair. So whether you're currently experiencing hair loss or you want to protect your existing hair, here are the best foods for keeping your hair happy and healthy. First up on our list is none other than the green powerhouse known as spinach. This packs a punch when it comes to essential nutrients. Rich in iron, vitamin A and C, as well as folate, spinach helps support healthy hair growth. Iron plays a vital role in delivering oxygen to the hair follicles, ensuring they function correctly. Vitamins A and C work together to keep the scalp moisturized and shield the hair follicles from damage from free radicals. Additionally, folate, vitamin B9, supports the production of red blood cells, which nourish the hair follicles and provide them with the nutrients they need to produce healthy strands of hair. If you want to prevent hair loss, look no further than a breakfast staple: eggs. These versatile and delightful creations are a treasure trove of nutrients that actively support hair health. Eggs contain high levels of biotin, known as vitamin B7, which is needed to produce the protein that hair is made of, called keratin. By strengthening the hair shaft, biotin reduces breakage and hair loss and supports healthy hair growth. Eggs are also an excellent source of high-quality protein. Hair strands are primarily composed of protein, so getting enough protein in your diet is essential for maintaining healthy hair. Protein supports the growth and repair of hair tissues, helping to prevent hair loss and promote stronger, thicker hair. Eggs are also rich in vitamin A, vitamin D, and zinc, which are all needed for the growth and maintenance of healthy hair. So whether you prefer scrambled, poached, or sunny side up, incorporating eggs into your diet can provide your hair with the necessary building blocks it needs to thrive. Next up, nuts. Nuts are not just a tasty snack, they're packed with essential nutrients that can work wonders for your hair. Walnuts, almonds, and Brazil nuts in particular offer exceptional benefits for healthy hair due to their high hair-supporting vitamins and minerals. Nuts, especially almonds, are high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects the hair follicles from oxidative stress, which can lead to hair damage and premature aging. It also helps keep your scalp moisturized, which supports healthy hair growth and prevents breakage. Zinc found in nuts contributes to the growth and repair of hair tissues, effectively preventing hair loss. Brazil nuts are high in the mineral selenium, which supports thyroid function. Hair loss is a common sign that your thyroid isn't working correctly and making enough thyroid hormones. In fact, just a single Brazil nut contains more than twice the recommended daily amount for selenium. So there's no need to eat them every day, but maybe add them as a snack every once in a while. Another food that's great for keeping your hair is carrots. These crunchy delights are packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in sebum production, the natural oil that moisturizes the scalp and prevents hair from drying out. A well-nourished scalp with adequate sebum production helps prevent dryness and flakiness, reducing the risk of hair breakage and loss. Beta-carotene is also a strong antioxidant, shielding the hair follicles from environmental damage. Carrots are also rich in B vitamins and vitamin C, as well as phosphorus and potassium, all important nutrients for healthy hair growth. Carrots are extremely versatile. Add them to salads, soups, or eat them raw with hummus, which means there's no excuse to not eat more of them if you're looking to boost your hair health. Next up, we have salmon. Salmon is an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce hair loss. They're vital for maintaining a healthy scalp and supporting hair growth. Omega-3 fatty acids have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce scalp inflammation, nourish hair follicles, and even improve hair density and thickness. Inflammation can disrupt hair growth and contribute to hair loss. Salmon is also a great source of vitamin D, a very important nutrient for hair growth. Vitamin D stimulates hair growth and helps with the creation of new hair follicles. Low vitamin D levels are incredibly common and have been linked to hair loss and poor hair health. Salmon is also full of important vitamins and minerals. It's rich in B vitamins, including niacin, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. These vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining overall hair and scalp health. They support the production of red blood cells, which transport oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. By incorporating salmon into your diet, you give your hair the boost it needs to stay strong and vibrant. Another breakfast staple, oats, are packed with nutrients that promote healthy hair growth and help keep hair loss at bay. They're a good source of iron, zinc, and B vitamins such as biotin and niacin, which are all necessary for healthy hair growth. These nutrients help nourish the hair follicles, improve blood circulation to the scalp, and promote the production of strong, resilient hair strands. Oats are especially important because they contain silica, a mineral that strengthens hair strands and prevents breakage. Silica helps improve the elasticity of hair, making it less prone to damage and hair loss. Other minerals found in oats include magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, all of which support healthy hair growth. Try to get more oats in your diet. Your hair will thank you. Another food you'll want to add to your diet to stop hair loss is sweet potato. These vibrant and delicious tubers are not only a tasty addition to your meals, but also a fantastic source of nutrients that promote healthy hair growth. Like carrots, sweet potatoes are rich in the vitamin A precursor beta-carotene, which helps maintain a healthy scalp and promotes hair growth. They're also loaded with antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, to help prevent hair follicles from damage. They're also one of the best plant sources of biotin, which we know helps strengthen the hair strands, prevent breakage, and reduce hair loss. Adding more sweet potatoes to your diet is a great way to support optimal hair health. Our next food for preventing hair loss is chicken. Chicken is a natural source of collagen, a protein that provides structure and strength to the hair. Collagen helps maintain the elasticity and resilience of hair strands, reducing the risk of breakage. Including chicken in your diet can help support collagen production, ultimately contributing to stronger, more resilient hair. Chicken also contains iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which can support hair growth and help prevent hair loss. Next up, we have avocados. Avocados are abundant in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These fats nourish the scalp and hair follicles, keeping them moisturized and preventing dryness that can lead to hair loss. The natural oils in avocados also act as a protective barrier, shielding the hair from damage caused by environmental factors. Avocados are packed with hair-loving vitamins and minerals. They are a rich source of vitamin E, which improves blood circulation to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. Avocados also contain vitamin B, which helps prevent hair loss and supports the production of new hair cells. They're also a great source of biotin. Finally, avocados are rich in antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals and protect the hair. Spread them on toast, toss them in a smoothie, or put them on top of a salad. There's so many ways to enjoy them. More than a tasty snack, sunflower seeds are a fantastic source of nutrients that promote healthy hair growth. Sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that promotes a healthy scalp and hair follicles. Vitamin E improves blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that essential nutrients reach the hair roots. This, in turn, supports hair growth and helps prevent hair loss. Sunflower seeds are also an excellent source of essential fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6. These healthy fats nourish the scalp, moisturize hair follicles, and promote a healthy environment for hair growth. One of these fats is called the gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA, a potent nutrient that offers deep conditioning benefits to the hair strands. GLA helps improve the softness, strength, and shine of your hair. If you're looking to support your hair growth, then beef is a great way to do so. Beef is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for the growth and maintenance of healthy hair. Beef is also a great source of iron, a mineral that plays a vital role in carrying oxygen to the hair follicles. Insufficient iron levels can lead to hair loss and thinning. By including beef in your meals, you can help prevent iron deficiency anemia and promote a healthy scalp environment for robust hair growth. Beef is rich in zinc, which supports hair tissue growth and repair. Zinc helps keep the oil glands around the hair follicles functioning properly, ensuring the scalp is nourished and hydrated. A balanced zinc level contributes to healthy hair growth and can help prevent hair loss caused by scalp conditions. Beef is full of B vitamins like B12 and biotin that support healthy hair growth and contribute to stronger, thicker hair. Next on our list is lentils. These little legumes are incredible for your locks. They're jam-packed with protein to help keep hair strong and healthy. They've also got heavy hitters like iron, zinc, magnesium, folate, and biotin. While beets may not be the most delicious vegetable, what they lack in culinary appeal, they make up for in nutrition. Beets are packed with essential nutrients that support hair health like vitamins A and C, iron, and folate. They also contain silica, a mineral known for its hair strengthening properties. Beets contain a unique nutrient called betaine, which has been shown to reverse hair loss. Beets also act as a natural detoxifier, helping remove toxins from the body that may contribute to hair loss. We've explored a variety of foods that can help prevent hair loss and promote healthier, more vibrant hair. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you provide your body with essential nutrients that support hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and maintain a healthy scalp. From the protein-packed chicken to the nutrient-rich lentils and the vibrant power of beets, each food offers unique benefits for your hair. Remember, a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients is key to achieving optimal hair health. If you enjoyed this content and found this information valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on future videos like this one. We'll see you in the next video.